A very delightful morning to all my loving students. This is Alpna Shukla, and once again I welcome back to you all in biology class. As we are revising our chapter life process, under this today we are going to learn about the nutrition in human beings. So human beings are the complex animal which have a complex digestive system. Human digestive system is composed of an alimentary canal and some accessory glands. The alimentary canal is divided into several parts like the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus, salivary gland, liver, and the accessory gland, which are the outside of the alimentary canal. Now, structure of human digestive system. The human digestive system comprised of the alimentary canal and access the digestive gland. Alimentary canal is comprised of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Associated gland, main the associated glands are the salivary gland, gastric glands, liver, pancreas, and mouth or the buccal cavity. So mouth has teeth and tongue. Salivary gland are also present in the mouth. The tongue has the gastro-respiratory, which is the previous the sense of taste. The tongue help to turning over the food so that the saliva can be prepared. The teeth help to breaking down the food into a small particles so that swallowing of a food become easier. There are four type of teeth in human beings. As you can see the diagram of the digestive system, and now the salivary glands that secrete the saliva. Saliva makes a food slippery, which make it easy to the swallow. The food saliva also contain the enzyme salivary analyze and the pethylene salivary. We can learn this all the process by the linear diagram also. As first food goes to the mouth, the process is known as the intake. Then with the help of teeth and tongue and the salivary gland, food become a softer. Now food passes to the esophagus, taking food from the mouth to the stomach by the parasitic movement, rhythmic consider of the muscles of the lining of the alimentary canal to push the food forward. Then food reaches to the stomach. And inside the stomach, many digestive juices are there, especially the ball of the stomach secreted hydrochloric acid that kill the germs present in the food. And after that, many other enzymes like pepsin secreted in the stomach does peddle the digest of the protein. And the mucus secreted by the wall of the stomach save the inner lining of the stomach by getting damage from the hydrochloric acid. As we know, the hydrochloric acid is the strong acid. As you can see, the stomach, in the stomach, gastric glands are there, that gastric juices present in that pepsin, HCl, and mucus that help in the digest to the food. Now, after that, food reaches to the small intestine. It is highly coiled tubes like structure. The small intestine, the large intestine, but it is lumen is the smaller than that the large intestine. Intestine is divided into three parts like duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Now liver. Liver is the largest organ in the human body. The liver manufactures the gets stored the gallbladder. From the gallbladder, vials released and when it's required. Pancreas is the secret below the stomach is secret the pancreatic juices which is contain many digestive enzymes. So that's all for today. You noted down this all the topics in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.